Today is April 4th, 2016, and the Newark Valley Central Schools is closed today. And we're outside right now. There is some snowfall and a little bit of accumulation of ice. As you can see right now, it is continuing to snow today. We are under a winter weather advisory until 11 a.m. Eastern Time. Again, it is continuing to snow. As you can see, there's about a couple inches of snowfall on the ground at this time. You are watching Walrus News now. Over here, there is some sort of slushy mix that was completely ice earlier, but has began to melt a little bit. But there's still accumulation of snow, as you can see. We're gonna walk into the backyard. See right there. We're just gonna continue. I'm actually going to be walking across the street in a moment, so right now I'm still walking. It's continuing to snow. Sort of. There's a car right there, so we're just gonna wait a moment. See if we can get across the street. Okay, there we go. There is the sidewalk. Right there. And the cemetery is over here. As you can see, so across the street. The wind is getting to me. Oh, it's starting to snow heavier. As you can see, let's see if I can go across the street. As you can see the snowfall for today. Thanks for joining Walrus News Now. Have a lovely day.